And welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight is the 8th installment of Backyard Hockey Fire! Man, I love this game. It's a great game. Apparently, I set it down a couple games ago, but Blaise has been kicking my butt over the last 2 games. I'm telling you, he is kicking my butt. Now, we've had some technical difficulties. What's going on? We're going to reach you right here. You see everything is still the same. What we got to know is we have some special words from this guy over here. He's the man, the master of disaster. BLAISE!
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another floor hockey game. Anyway, this is game number 8. Wow, over halfway through the season already. How do you feel about that?
I gotta tell you, there's been some interruptions, there's some things have been going on, but I'm ready to take on you because I think in number 8, I'm gonna be great. I'll go straight. I'll be 8. Gonna be.
Get out of here.
Whatever.
Anyway, it's game number 8. It features the Colorado Avalanche and the Winnipeg Jets.
Winnipeg Jets, fire!
Both teams have 0 points. 1 game per team. I'm the champ. I get to pick first. And I am going to be the Colorado Avalanche. And I am going to be Gabriel Landeskog.
And I'm gonna be the Winnipeg Jets. And I'm gonna win the Winnipeg Jets. You ain't seen nothing yet to see the Winnipeg Jets. And I'm gonna be that master scorer, that guy Zazor, that guy that takes it to the Sora. Willa!
Guys, if you want to know who he's clearly talking about, he's clearly talking about Blake Wheeler. Thank you.
I said that. I just did it like a boxing thing.
You said it like that.
No, I said it like in a boxing way.
Oh, God.
I'm watching a lot of Rocky. Rocky 1, Rocky 2, Rocky 3, Rocky 4. I mean,
Forget about that. Let's do this. Don't forget about the standings. You pretty much have to win almost every single game from here to the end. Just got to keep in mind, folks.
we played a 5 or played 6?
We played a 5 once a game. Guys, this guy, don't forget about the standings. I'm at 6 wins. He's at 1.
Come on.
He's got to keep up. He's pretty much got to win every game that is popping up to have a chance to come back and beat me. Let's do
I'm
this.
taking him out.
I'm at 6 wins.
He's done.
He's at
done.
1. Let's do this.
He's done.
I don't care. Let's go.
Go.
Hockey
1, hockey 2, hockey 3.
I think that's a goal. I think it hit something and popped out.
Where'd it go?
It's back here. But I think it hit like the blue pole.
I think it did so. He's got 1. He's got 1. Fire. He's got 1.
Landeskog's got 1.
Bye-bye. He's got 1.
Landeskog's got
Bye-bye.
1, folks. Here we go. Let's go. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey. Oh. Back there. I got this, Avalanche fans.
Here it is.
I know there are many Avalanche fans.
In the house. In the house.
Oh, never mind. It's mine. It's mine. No, it's on my side.
That's not good.
And through it. I'm gonna stay here and entertain everybody. Da 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 da. And guys, I'm pausing you for a second. Never mind, never mind, never mind. The ball came back. Ball came back, folks. It's right here, boys and girls. All right, here we go. Completely on a wide open day.
Really? Because I got it. Really gonna do that? You gonna play like that?
Well, how come I picked it up, bro?
Because I got it.
Thank you, and you were never.
Center ball, center ball, center ball.
Boom.
Center ball. Center ball. That's a bunch of BS.
Dude, whoever gets the ball first.
Fine, you want it? Fine, take it.
Whoever gets the ball first,
Fine,
guys,
take it.
takes
Fine.
it.
What's the score?
2-0 Avalanche.
Good. Kick your ass.
Here we go. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey.
Come on, go get it, go get it. No, that's mine. No, it's yours. That's mine. Blah, blah. Come on. I want that ball back. I'm going to kick your... Oh, my God. You took me on that one? I'm going to take you out. You took me on that? Oh, you're done.
Dude, I'm just being
You're done,
friendly over
dude.
here.
You're done. You're done. You're so done. You're so done. Go ahead. Go ahead. Take it. Good. Oh, God, go get it. Bye-bye.
Back out again.
Yeah.
Boom! It went in and came out.
Good.
100%.
Good.
3-0 Avalanche. Here we go. Here we go. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey 3. It's mine, mine. Oh, you better back up the net, bro. Back up the net. Done. Done.
Bro.
3-0 Avalanche, but I went wide, attempting my 4th goal of the day. Here we go. Let's do this. Do this, baby. Yes, let's see. Let's get back. Get back. Oh yeah, block it. Kind of missed it too. Oh man. Right in the middle, it's been on my side. Darn, darn. Still 3-0 Avalanche. Still 3-0 Avalanche, folks. Oh man. Oh! I thought that was gonna go in. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Still 3-0 Avalanche. Yours.
Got it.
Alright, 3-1 Avalanche. Winnipeg Jets finally get their first goal.
3-1. 3-2.
No, it's 3-1, bro.
Whatever.
3-1. It's fucking thinking of the practice goal. Here Hockey 1, hockey 2,
Yes! 3-2.
Your net is off.
I got it now. I nailed it, too. I got you.
Yeah, but look
No,
at the net.
no, dude, I got you.
I got
Back
that.
to center.
Dude, I got that.
Whatever, back to center.
Your net is getting blown by the wind.
Doesn't matter, I
Guys,
got
it's
you.
a confirmed goal! Confirmed goal! You wanna play? You wanna play
I
like that?
got you. I do got who?
You got a goal. It's 3-2 Avalanche.
Thank you.
Very much.
Exactly. Let me.
Yeah, but I was just saying that your net's off. God, do you not understand? Don't understand that his freaking net's off.
Ready?
Still off.
Oh, what's up?
That. Your right part's off. There we go. So, the ball is flying away again. Are you kidding me? There we go. Whoa, dude, that's way too big. Come on, stay still. There we go. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey.
Oh, there it is. 3-3.
3-2.
3-3. Whatever it is. I scored.
3-2 it is, thank you.
That's it? 3-2?
3-2, man. Got 2 goals after my 3-0 start, for God's sake.
Fine.
Hockey 1, hockey 2.
No.
Come on. Stay still.
I'm not doing shit, dude. You do
No,
shit.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the ball. Stay still. Let's go. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey. Give me the ball. Guys, I don't care. I'm winning this game.
3-3.
Guys, I don't care. I'm winning this game right
Blah, blah. Get it back over here, pal.
now. I don't care. Try hard. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey. Yes, back to me. Bang. Nope.
Oh,
Again, let's go.
I should have had that. Come on. Yeah. That's center ice. Center ice, dude. Center ice. Center ice. Let's go. Got it?
Fine, we face it off after it goes out of bounds.
Go.
Fine.
Wait. Go.
Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey. Nip it off, thank you. Come on, I had that whole piece open, guys. Tanner.
That's my Cleopatra.
Oh, positive.
Guys. Ah, no. My balls got that one. You got my peener.
Wait,
You
is
hit
that
my teeth?
is
Yeah,
that
you hit-
considered a pee shot?
You hit my peener. You hit my peener on that
It's a
one.
pee
Jeff.
shot,
You
pee
hit my
shot,
peener on that one. Thank you very much.
Right?
Everybody now, he hit my peener and my balls on that one.
Alright, so I technically got a pee shot, but not really
You
a
got
hard
pee
one.
shot?
Yeah, it's gonna be called, bro.
Yeah, it's
Pee
called.
shot. Pee shot,
You
brother.
got a ball.
Yeah, pee shot, brother. Pee shot,
Where's
bro.
my show now?
Dude, so, funny story.
Go ahead, tell me.
Funny story. So there was this guy on the Carolina Hurricanes named Pee Shot. And I saw this one YouTube channel. Whenever you would hit someone right here, it's called a pee-pee shot. So we use it right here. Let's go.
No, not again.
Yeah, we
did it once. No!
No.
Oh! You're so lucky.
Boom! 4-3 Colorado Avalanche. Let's go. I need a beverage real quick before we go on. Bring in that. Good. That's in the pot.
I know it is. 4-3?
No, 4 for the Avalanche. Alright, let's go.
Secure the ball.
4-3 Avalanche.
Secure the ball.
I got it, kid. I got it. Chill.
Secure the ball.
Chill. I got it. Here we go. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey. What? Ah!
No, right there. Ah! I missed it.
What a save! Oh my. Hey!
Hey. I so missed it. I so missed it.
And I got my foot out in time.
Yeah, you did.
I got my foot out in time on that save.
Yeah, blah, blah.
Look at that.
The wind is going your way, by the way.
Blah blah.
The wind's going your way. Right there. 4-3. Oh!
4-4.
4-4.
4-4.
Center up, center up, center up. Let's go.
Win, Skull wins.
Let's go wins.
Or
Winnipeg Blake is going to be in there. Ah!
whatever.
Blake Wheeler. Blake Wheeler.
Blake
Blake Wheeler's in the house. Go.
Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey.
Oh, you're so
Yes,
lucky.
yes. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Yeah. Now.
Okay.
No, he's done. I'll really. Listen. Whatever. You
Back.
gonna do that? You gonna do that?
Get that ball out of my face.
Yeah, let me get my body in there.
Blah blah.
Whatever. Blah
I
blah.
can save myself for God's sake.
Save yourself from that. Just save yourself from that. Over there, watch it. Bam.
Nope.
Bam.
No. Mine. And then,
Yeah.
oh, come on. Short of my side. Just a little bit short.
Yeah. Flop down.
I'll do it all I want, bro.
Fine.
I'll do it all I want.
Fine. I
I'll still
can't
walk
flop
the shot.
down. Watch him flop.
Still doing it
I'm
all.
gonna jam it so in there, you're gonna be just like,
You sure
forget
about that?
Dude, forget
Sure
about it.
about that?
Shove your left shoulder, dude. Here it comes. Left your shoulder. Bam!
Mine. No one can score the last goal. No one can, whatsoever.
Ugh.
Come on! Dude, we've been here for 18 minutes and 45 seconds. Dude, that's how tough this game is, bruh. How tough the game is, for God's sake.
If your team would just stop cheating.
I'm not cheating. How am I cheating? Cheating my butt.
That's on my side, so don't relax here, big boy.
Cheating my butt. How's my team cheating?
Okay, put your whole body in front of the net. Get it down there. Get it down. Get your whole body in front of the net. Put it on there. Put your whole body there. Put your whole body in front of the
My
net.
lad! Just shoot!
Put your whole body in front of the
Just
net.
shoot the ball, for God's sake. Oh yeah, what a
Put that
sick.
back in place.
It touched the whole net, for God's
Put
sake.
that back in place, and then, bam.
No, mine. My chance to win the game. Right here, folks. Darn!
Is that your way?
No, it went around.
Dude, that blade
Darn!
inches in my face. Wow. Take it down, cause here it comes.
Blah, blah. You ain't ending the game anyway, for God's sakes.
Here's my game. Bam! Yes!
Go!
Yes!
Celebrate too
Yes!
early! Celebrate too early, folks! He celebrated too early! Celebrate too
Don't hit
early!
my face.
Done.
No.
Another chance.
No.
Another chance for it.
No.
Come on! Dude. Dude, we're 20 minutes and 30 seconds in. It's your fault. Well, your standing position is what's making me not score it.
If you were playing legally,
I am playing legally. What do you mean?
putting your whole body in front of the net.
I don't care. I'm playing.
I know you don't, but you don't care because here it comes. I'm taking you out right now. Now watch out because I'm gonna take you out. Right now, it's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be so sweet. It's gonna be so sweet. No, right there. It's right there. I hit you right there, that spot. Oh my gosh, she's right there. Got him! Damn, that's it. Over. Over. Got him. Put his whole body. What? What are you doing? That's not very sportsmanlike.
Sorry, good game. Good game.
That's better. You don't push people around. I got him.
Blah, blah, I'm getting it next time. Because I played against a 56-year-old man who's turning 57 in June, for God's sakes.
I got him.
Blah, blah. I should have had him so bad.
I
should have had him.
It was
Blah, blah.
over here.
Blah, blah. Guys, I should have beat him 5-0. I should have beat him 5-0 to make it his third shutout of the season. He just has to come back, make fun of my position right here, which it should be unsportsmanlike conduct.
I took him right here. I took him.
Yeah,
Right
it was.
here.
It was.
Found the spot. I took him right here.
Whatever.
Right here's
It was all because of you using your unsportsmanlike conduct against me, which should result in a penalty. Which should result in a 2-minute power play. It should. I'm gonna be honest right here.
Okay, be honest.
It should result in a 2-minute power play. Because unsportsmanlike conduct, you can't taunt everybody and go, eh. And you did. You said, oh, that stupid position of yours is what's taking this game so long. Whatever. I'm gonna beat you tomorrow. And once I do, I'll win the game after. And then you're done in the standings no matter what the cost is.
You kidding me? You're going down.
Please. Please. Should be unsportsmanlike conduct right there.
There's no unsportsmanlike conduct.
Yes, there
Like
is.
everything on the club. Everything on the club. And tomorrow I will start taking away and taking away at his empire.
There's no such thing as an empire in hockey. Whatever. Guys, I should have won that game. Let me know if you think that when he said, oh, that play is so dirty that you cover up the whole net.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Let me know if you think that is unsportsmanlike conduct.
It was fine. It was fine.
Then how come you insulted my position? Unsportsmanlike conduct, thank you.
It was wrong.
Wrong my butt.
Wrong your butt.
Wrong your bald spot.
Your bald spot. Your poopy spot.
Doesn't even make sense.
Your poop pants.
Your poopy
Your
pants.
poop.
Pants are bald.
Kidding me? Your poop pants so bald and poopy. They're poopy and bald.
Dude, you poop.
I'm just telling you right now.
Are you kidding me?
No.
You go poop at least 10 times a day before 9 o'clock in the morning.
You're wrong. You're wrong. It's 15 times a day. Now get it right, man.
Whatever.
I'm going 50
Last time you said that it was 10 times a day before 9.
I'm going to tell you If I got all this time a day, I'm going 25, 30 times a day, yo.
Get out of here.
Whatever, yo. Just telling you.
Blah,
I'm
blah.
pooping like it's my pooping because I'm pooping because I'm drooping because I don't know when I'm drooping. This is when I'm pooping. Blaze, you got drooping. Blaze, don't get so upset because you don't know yet. I'm going to defeat you yet.
Get out.
Alright. Hockey afternoon fire!
Blah, blah. Anyway, guys, we hope you enjoy a chicken beating a teacher.
What?
A chicken,
What?
more like, we may as well call him a grandfather beating a teacher.
Who's the grandfather?
You!
Who's the teacher?
Me!
Who's the chicken?
You!
Who's the chicken?
You!
Whatever.
Whatever, nothing. Anyway, guys, we hope you enjoy. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. I don't know why I'm finishing kneeling, but it's a different way. Also, don't forget to subscribe to see more epic videos like
Because
this.
he needs to kneel and worship the winner of tonight's game.
No. I need to kneel down and worship my master. God! God!
That's cool.
Anyway, guys, we'll see you next time when I kick Daddy's butt.
Whatever.
Sign it off. Peace out.